Chapter 17 Air. Lesson View. Composition of air, uses of air pollution, controlling air pollution. We can find air everywhere on the earth. We cannot see air, but can feel it. All the living things need air to breathe. We can see the leaves of plants move in a breeze, and the pages of a book flutter when we switch on the fan. But we cannot see air itself. Moving air is called wind. When wind blows gently, it is called breeze. When wind blows very fast, it is called a storm. Composition of air. Air is a mixture of different gases. The main gases are nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Water vapor and dust are also present in the air. The gaseous form of water is called water vapor. Heat from the sun changes water from the seas, rivers, ponds, and lakes into water vapor. On a rainy day, sometimes we feel hot and sticky. This is just because the amount of water vapor increases in the air. Plants give out oxygen during photosynthesis in the daytime. Animals and humans give out carbon dioxide. Decaying plants and animals and volcanic eruptions release nitrogen in the atmosphere. Dust particles are also present in the air. If we do not clean furniture for a few days, we can see a layer of dust on its surface. This is because the dust particles in the air settle on the furniture. Teaching tips. Explain to the children the composition of air. Discuss them about air pollution and ways to reduce it. Uses of air. All the living things requires oxygen to live. Plants use carbon dioxide to prepare food. Air is filled into tires of vehicles. Air is essential for burning. It helps move sailboats. Gliders and hot air balloons move with the help of air. It helps dry clothes. Wind carries seeds of some plants to different places. Windmills are run by the wind. It can be used to pump water and generate electricity. Clean air. Living things like human beings, plants, and animals need clean air to live healthy. Clean air does not have any smell or color. Plants help in keeping the air clean. We must plant more and more trees for our own health. Air pollution. The factories and vehicles release harmful gases into the air that make the air dirty and unhealthy. The air is also polluted by the smoke from burning garbage, plastic, paper, wood, fireworks, paddy, etc. Polluted air is very harmful to our eyes and causes headaches. It can also cause damage to our lungs and skin. It can make us sick. Controlling air pollution. We can control the air from getting polluted by following ways. By installing very tall chimneys in the factories. By restricting the use of vehicles. By using cleaner fuels in vehicles like CNG. By motivating people to use more of public transport. By planting more and more trees. Fact file. In 2016, Delhi government announced the odd-even rule in the capital to control pollution. According to this rule, private vehicles were allowed to run across the city based on their registration numbers. This system was implemented in Beijing in the year 2008. Key terms. Breeze, gentle wind. Water vapor, water in gaseous state. Volcanic eruption, lava coming out from a volcano. Summing up. Moving air is called wind. When wind blows gently, it is called breeze. When wind blows very fast, it is called a storm. The main gases present in the air are nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. The gaseous form of water is called water vapor. Plants help in keeping the air clean. Harmful gases from the factories and vehicles released into the air make the air dirty and unhealthy.